Home damage can strike anytime. Storms, leaks, frozen pipes, basement floods, clogged gutters, was there roof damage? Every season brings new risks. That's where Adjustering comes in, serving as a vital link between homeowners and a network of restoration experts, roofing professionals, and licensed public adjusters. Adjustering helps who handle everything: damage assessment, repairs, and insurance claims. Fast, coordinated, stress-free. Get your home and peace of mind restored with Adjustering. And call 610-707-8414 or visit www.adjustering.com.